Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. Is buying this stock a good idea? Investing in stocks may seem intimidating at first, but with the right strategy and tools, anyone can navigate the market confidently. Remember, the focus here is not just on quick profits but on understanding the fundamentals of each company. Start asking relevant questions, prioritize transparency in your research, and evaluate how well the stock aligns with your financial goals. By sticking to this straightforward checklist, you can feel secure in your investment decisions and ultimately grow your wealth over time. As you begin to engage with the stock market, remember that your research process brings clarity amidst the confusion. Dive into the company's financial health by checking revenue trends, profit margins, and how well they manage debt, ensuring you cover all bases. These concrete metrics not only inform you about the company's current standing but also its potential for future growth. By applying this methodical approach, you're setting a solid groundwork for making prudent investment choices. Always remember to balance optimism with caution, maintaining a mindset geared toward long-term stability rather than fleeting gains. It's crucial to keep in mind that investing should not be based solely on market rumors or trends. Instead, rely on diligent research and verifiable data to guide your decisions. As you compile your findings, make a point to regularly revisit your checklist, ensuring that your investment choices align with your evolving financial objectives. Adopting a disciplined strategy in your stock market activities will fortify your confidence and lead to informed, sound investments. Embrace the learning journey, and remember that every question you ask is a step toward greater understanding and financial success in the dynamic world of investing. Before diving deeper into the world of stocks, let's ensure we remember two pivotal aspects: understanding the basics of stock evaluation and developing a disciplined approach. Anchoring your strategy in solid principles will not only empower you as an investor but also arm you with confidence in your research. By actively engaging with the subject matter and practicing your newfound skills, you pave the way for well-informed decisions. As you finalize your preparations for investing, it's essential to recognize the significance of aligning your unique goals with the potential stocks you're contemplating. Clarity in your objectives will not only guide your decisions but also ease any hesitation during inevitable market fluctuations. Make it a point to continually evaluate how each investment fits into your broader financial landscape, as this practice will enhance both your strategic thinking and resilience in the face of challenges. Ultimately, this disciplined foresight can greatly influence the success of your investing journey. Investing in stocks is not just a transactional venture. It's a long-term commitment to growing your financial future with intention and awareness. What you'll want to remember is that each step in our checklist serves a specific purpose in analyzing the stocks you're interested in. Start by confidently stating what the company does. If you can't articulate it easily, that's a warning sign. Next, evaluate the sustainability of the business model, examining whether its revenue and profit are on a positive trajectory. Financial metrics like low debt and cash reserves form the backbone of your assessment, revealing how well the company can weather potential downturns. Also, determine if the company possesses a distinct competitive advantage, which can ensure its longevity in the market. Now that you've examined the company's fundamentals, let's summarize the essential steps in evaluating potential stocks. Always begin by clearly articulating what the company does and why its products or services matter. Next, probe the reliability of its revenue and income. You want to ensure that growth is steady and not just a temporary spike. Keep an eye on key financial statistics. Low debt levels and ample cash reserves indicate a company is managing its resources wisely. Identify if the company has a moat to fend off competitors and maintain market share. By ensuring you ask these questions, you'll greatly boost your chances of making informed, prudent investment decisions, leading to sustainable growth in your portfolio. Your final step is to confidently make your investment decision based on all the insights gathered. Reflect on your thorough checklist and assess how each finding resonates with your investment strategy. Circle back to your personal goals, ensuring the stock aligns with your vision for the future. As you execute your trade, embrace the complexities of the market with a steady mindset, remembering that investing is not just about immediate gains but about creating lasting value. Keep learning, adapting, and growing with every experience. This journey is a continuous evolution toward financial empowerment. As you assess each company, don't forget to consider the potential impact of external factors, such as economic shifts and technological advances. These elements can significantly influence both stock performance and market dynamics. Stay updated on macroeconomic trends, industry news, and innovation in technology, as they are essential for preserving an edge in your investment decisions. Furthermore, don't overlook the importance of diversification. By spreading your investments across various sectors and industries, you will reduce overall risk and enhance your chances of achieving solid returns. A well-rounded portfolio is a hallmark of astute investing. Remember, the key isn't just to buy low and sell high. It's about fully understanding the investments you make and cultivating a long-term perspective that aligns with your goals. As you proceed, stay vigilant, continue to refine your research skills, and leverage the entire checklist to ensure you're prepared for a successful investment journey. In the world of investing, patience, diligence, and education will serve as your greatest allies. Investing isn't merely a numbers game. It's a formidable process that blends intuition with insight, leading to choices that embody both wisdom and clarity. Empower yourself with knowledge, and you'll be poised to navigate the stock market with confidence and foresight. To wrap up, always remember that the journey of investing is multifaceted, requiring patience, insight, and a solid strategy. By implementing the checklist, continuously educating yourself, and aligning your investments with your financial goals, you cultivate a robust foundation for future success. Embrace this journey with a commitment to learning, and you'll find yourself not just investing confidently, but also contributing to your long-term financial empowerment. Keep striving for clarity and understanding in every step you take in the stock market. As you refine your approach to stock investing, engaging with the broader financial landscape becomes essential. Integration of knowledge, from recognizing current market conditions to evaluating emerging trends, will position you for success. Each step in your research is not merely about numbers, it's about the narratives they tell. With this foundation, remember to stay adaptable and open to adjusting your strategies as new information arises. Your commitment to learning and informed decision-making will not only bolster your confidence but ultimately lead to sustained growth in your investment journey. As you continue this journey, keep in mind the importance of consistently revisiting your research. Set a routine to check in on your investments, as market conditions and company fundamentals are subject to change over time. Remain proactive in seeking out new information and trends that could potentially affect your decisions. Periodically reassessing your portfolio will help you stay aligned with your financial goals, ensuring that your investments not only reflect strong companies but also respond adeptly to the evolving market landscape. By fostering a practice of ongoing learning and adjustment, you will cultivate resilience and adaptability, key traits of a successful investor. Your long-term vision of financial empowerment is built upon not just the investments you make, but the wisdom you gain along the way. Investing in stocks may seem challenging, but with a manageable approach, you can gain the confidence needed to make informed decisions. The steps highlighted here will help demystify the process and empower you to make sound investments over time. As you take action based on this checklist, always remember that the aim is to foster long-term financial growth, aligning your decisions with your personal goals. By engaging with each aspect of stock research, you will not only enhance your understanding but will also bolster the potential for success in your investment journey. Embrace this ongoing learning experience and continue to refine your strategy, ensuring a path filled with clarity and purpose. Investing is not a sprint, it is a marathon where patience and diligence yield rewards. The checklist we've discussed not only serves as your guide but also builds the foundation for sound investment decisions. Remember, investing is an ongoing learning journey where each choice shapes your financial future. Embrace the process, seek knowledge, and refine your strategy as you grow, both as an investor and as an individual. With these tools and insights, you're well prepared to move forward confidently in the stock market. As we conclude this journey into stock investment, remember that knowledge and preparation are your greatest allies. Embrace informed decision-making, consistently apply your research checklist, and align your investments with your long-term goals. With this grounded approach, you can navigate the complexities of the stock market and cultivate a prosperous financial future. Thanks for watching Money Loop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Thumbs up, likes, speech balloon comments, bell subscriptions.